If you want to take screenshot with back tap gesture on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to open settings. Next in settings we're gonna scroll down to gestures, and then over here you should be able to find the quick launch option. This is of course the tap back gesture where we can double tap the back of the phone in order to activate something. Make sure that the quick launch option is enabled and then go to settings. In settings we want to make sure that take screenshot option is selected. So now if we double tap the back of the phone, we should be able to capture the screenshot. Let's give it a try. There we go. As you can see, we have made the screenshot. So usually I try to tap somewhere over here. So if I double tap over here, I should be able to take the screenshot, but sometimes it doesn't work. So we can just keep practicing, keep tapping in order to make it work. Besides that, you can also go back to the quick launch settings, and over here we have try it out, where we can get the feedback of the double tap gesture. So now if I try to double tap somewhere, I should be able to get the feedback if it works or not. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.